Welcome to Pharma Aspirants. Today I am going to discuss about liquid dosage forms. Liquid dosage form is classified into two types: monophasic liquid dosage form and biphasic liquid dosage form. In monophasic liquid dosage form, there are different forms. For internal administration, we use mixtures, syrups, elixirs and linctors. For skin application, we use liniments and lotions. For body cavity, we use douches, eardrops and nostril drops. For mouth, we use gargles, mouthwash and throat paints. Coming to the solutions. Solutions are liquid preparation that contain one or more chemical substance. They are prepared by dissolving the active ingredient in an aqueous or non-aqueous solvent. Coming to the classification of solutions, they are classified into different types. Based on the route of administrations, they are classified as oral solutions for oral route, otic solutions installed in the ear, ophthalmic solution installed in the eyes, topical solutions applied over the skin surface. According to the composition and uses, solutions are classified into different types. Aromatic water, solution of aromatic material in water. Syrup, aqueous solution containing sugar. These are concentrated solution of sugars in which active ingredient is added. Whereas elixirs, sweetened hydroalcoholic solutions. Spirit, solution of aromatic material in alcohol. The main difference between spirit and syrup is solution of aromatic material in alcohol, whereas solution of aromatic material in water. If it is water, it is aromatic water. If it is in alcohol, it is spirit. Tincture, solution prepared by extracting active constituent from crude drug. Next, injection, prepared to be sterile and pyrogen free and intended for parenteral administrations. All injections are intended for parenteral administration like IV, IM, etc. According to vehicle, based on the vehicle used in the preparation of this solution, there are different types. Example, aromatic water, solution of aromatic or volatile material in water. They will deteriorate with time. Examples of aromatic water are rose water and peppermint water. Coming to syrups, they are concentrated solution of sugar to which medicaments are often added. Syrups contains 85% weight by volume sucrose or 66.7% weight by weight of sucrose. This is very important point regarding pharma competitive exams. Whereas elixirs, they are sweetened hydroalcoholic solution. Expectorants are the type of elixirs. They are one of the type of elixirs. Next, linctuses. They relieve cough. The main vehicle used is simple syrup. Next, coming to liniments. They are alcoholic or oily preparation. They are intended for external application by rubbing onto the affected areas. Whereas lotions, they are aqueous, oily or alcoholic preparations. They are intended for external applications. Both liniments and lotions are for intended application.